you want a Bluetooth speaker that's easy to take outside, but still looks great back at your desk, check this out. This is the BUGANi Brief TT, and for something this compact, it puts out way more sound than you probably expect. What I like right away is that this speaker just makes sense, especially for outdoor use. It's compact, easy to carry, and it has this built-in silicone handle that makes it really simple to grab and go. So whether you're taking it out to the patio, the backyard, camping, or just hanging outside for a bit, it feels like a speaker that was actually made to move with you. And this thing is secured to the body, so it's not going to rip off. And that's backed up by the facts that it's rated IP67 for water and dust resistance. So if you're just around the pool or out by the beach or dealing with a little dust, sand, or even unexpected splashes, this speaker is just built for that. That's a big deal because a lot of portable speakers, you still end up being extra careful. With this one, you can just relax a little bit more and just enjoy using it, especially while outdoors. Now, even though this thing is compact, the sound is where this really starts to stand out. It delivers up to 60 watts of power, which is honestly impressive for a speaker this size. So outside, where smaller speakers can sometimes get lost, the Brief TT still gives you that strong, full sound with solid bass and very clear detail. But now, let's bring it inside, because this is also the kind of speaker that looks right at home on a desk setup. Alright, now that we're back inside, this is where I think the BUGANi Brief TT really shows off another side. It doesn't just sound good, it actually looks really good too. It has this modern cube-style design that stands out from the usual speaker shape, and the dual-tone woven fabric gives it a much more premium look and feel. So sitting on a desk, a shelf, or even a room setup, it doesn't look bulky or out of place at all. It just has that nice clean design that fits in really well. And then you add in the RGB lighting effects, which is a really cool touch. This gives the speaker a little more personality and makes it feel a little more immersive, especially indoors. Whether you're listening to music while working, relaxing at your desk, or just hanging out at night, the lighting adds a nice vibe without being too much. It's one of those features that makes the speaker feel a little more fun and a little more premium. And indoors, the sound really fills the space nicely. You get a deep bass, clear vocals, and a strong overall sound that feels bigger than what you expect from something this compact. So whether you're using it for music, videos, or just everyday audio, it has enough power to sound rich and full without taking up a ton of space. That's what I like about it. It's portable enough for outside, but still powerful enough to be a legit everyday speaker inside too. And if you want it to go even bigger, the Brief TT also supports TWS pairing, so you can connect two speakers wirelessly for a wider, more immersive stereo sound. Plus, Bluetooth pairing is quick and easy, so it's simple to connect to your phone, start your playlist, and just enjoy the moment. Overall, the BUGANi Brief TT is a really nice option if you want one speaker that can do both. It's portable enough for outdoor use, durable with IP67 protection, has a strong 60-watt sound, cool RGB lighting, and it looks great whether you're outside or back at your desk. If you want to check it out yourself, I'll have the link down below. So go ahead, click the link and see if the BUGANi Brief TT is the right speaker for you. Some really cool features that I really like are the rubber feet, so you can place it anywhere and it doesn't scratch the surface. I like how it's wrapped in nice fabric all the way around. I really like the carry handle. It's very, very convenient. It's lightweight. All the buttons are right here. Turn it on, volume up, Bluetooth. You can also pause and play the music. And it's also very easily charged by USB Type-C. It comes with the cable and everything. Overall, this feels like a very premium speaker, and I really enjoy using it.